Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an important topic for Discord users: how to check where your Discord account is logged in. If you've ever wondered which devices are accessing your account, this guide is for you. Keeping track of your active sessions is essential for your account security, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. This step is crucial since the app gives you all the tools you need to manage your account effectively. Once you have the app up and running, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping on your profile picture will take you to your account settings, where you can make various adjustments. Now, to access more detailed settings, tap the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to configuring your account preferences, so make sure to keep an eye on it as we navigate through the app. Finally, look for the Devices option. By tapping on this, you'll be able to see a list of all devices currently logged into your Discord account. This feature allows you to monitor and manage your sessions, ensuring that your account remains secure. If you notice any unfamiliar devices, you can take immediate action to protect your account. By following these simple steps, you can easily check where your Discord account is logged in. It's a great practice to regularly review your active sessions, especially if you use multiple devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.